Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use one of these. Excuse me. LED bar graph, except this one is a dual LED bar graph. What it does, it has 10 LEDs on each side, and there's two graphs, so it's meant to be used as like a VU meter or a volume meter or something like that. But you could use it for anything you want. So, you know, it has 12 pins and 20 LEDs. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 10 on the other side, so that's 20, and only 12 pins to control them. So, as you can see here, it's multiplexed. So, I kind of like this one better. So each one of these little circles is an LED. As you can see, you got your, both rows. Then the rows are connected this way, so all the positives for all these LEDs on this row are connected together, and all the positives on this row are connected together. Then the negatives are connected together for these top two, and the negatives for these, the middle, the second two, and that. So you have, the down and down is plus, and the side to side is minus. So you can see my multiplexed array. So the way it works is you have 3 pins here, and then you have 9 pins here. So these 3, and then the first 6 on this side are going to be your negatives, okay? So, obviously this negative is going to be this one, and this one, and this one, and then this one, and, all the way down, like that. And the positives, I think this positive is this one, and the second positive is this one. So, anyway, what I got here is my little power supply that I built, so I'm just going to hook it up. So, I'm going to hook the negative up to the, top row, so this top row. Then if I hook up the positive to this first pin right here, you can see that that LED lights up. Now if I hook it up to the second pin, the LED in the other column should light up. So now you can see that yes, it does. So now if we try hooking up the negative to, say, the third one, the LED in the third row should light up, right? And since we'll hook it up to the first pin, third row on the right side. It's the left side, sorry. So there we go, third row, left side. Now we can do third row, right side. We can do, 1, 2, 3. We can do the middle row. Middle row, right side. Oops, sorry, it's shorting out. Middle row, right side. We can do the second to last row. Right side. We can do the second to last row, left side. So as you can see, that's how they work. They're very simple. It's just a multiplexed array. So that's how mine worked. The positives are on the vertical, and the negatives are on the horizontal. So that gives you 10 negatives, 2 positives, for 12 pins to control 20 LEDs. It's pretty nice. And for mine, it had 3 and 9, and these 3 and the first 6 on this side were the negatives, and then the last 2 were the positives. So, and the very last pin here was the left one, and the second to last pin was the right one for positive. So, anyway, that's it. You could use this to build some sort of VU meter. You could do a dual channel voltmeter, 0 to 5 volts, and each one represents half a volt. You can do 0 to 10 volts, and each segment represents a volt. You could, anything really. So, that's it. Bye.